If your money feels out of control right now, this next 30 days could decide your future. Not next year, not someday, the next 30 days. This is the 30-day money reset challenge. Most people aren't broke because they're lazy. They're broke because their money is leaking. Silently. Subscriptions you forgot. Small spends you ignore. Debt that grows while you sleep. And one day, you check your balance and panic replaces peace. This challenge won't make you rich, but it will stop the bleeding. It will give you clarity, control, and confidence. And that changes everything. Day one is brutal. You write down every rupee you owe. No excuses, no lies, just truth. Because money doesn't destroy people. Avoiding reality does. Cancel what you don't need. Pause what doesn't serve you. Not forever, just for 30 days. Comfort feels good today, but control feels better tomorrow. You track everything, even the small stuff, because small numbers create big damage. This is where most people quit, not because it's hard, but because discipline hurts the ego. Now you choose one thing, just one: extra income, side skill, or debt attack. You don't need more motivation, you need momentum. After 30 days, your bank balance might not explode, but your fear will shrink, your control will grow, and your mindset will shift. Because the real reset isn't your money, it's you. Start today, not tomorrow.